Do you feel nervous when you talk to your boss about your performance or salary? In this daily life English conversation, you will learn simple English for an appraisal discussion, speaking clearly, sharing achievements, and asking professional questions.
Hi, do you have a few minutes to talk about my appraisal?
Of course. Please come in and have a seat.
Thank you. I appreciate your time.
So, how do you feel about your performance this year?
Overall, I think it has been a productive year.
That is good to hear. Can you share some highlights?
Yes, I completed 3 major client projects.
Those projects were important for the team.
I also helped improve our reporting process.
Yes, the new reports are much clearer.
I am glad they were helpful.
What skills do you think you improved this year?
I improved my communication with clients.
Yes, I noticed that improvement.
I also worked on managing my time better.
That is an important skill.
I still want to keep improving.
That is a great attitude.
I would also like your feedback.
Overall, your performance has been strong.
Thank you, that means a lot.
You are reliable and proactive.
I try to support the team as much as possible.
There is one area to improve.
Yes, please tell me.
Sometimes you take on too much work.
I understand. I will try to balance better.
Delegating tasks can help.
That is good advice.
Now, do you have any goals for next year?
Yes, I want to take more leadership responsibilities.
That sounds like a good direction.
I would like to lead a small project.
We can definitely explore that.
I am also interested in mentoring new team members.
That would be valuable for the team.
I enjoy helping others learn.
That is a strong leadership quality.
I also wanted to ask about growth opportunities.
What kind of growth are you thinking about?
Possibly a promotion in the future.
That is a reasonable goal.
What should I focus on to reach that level?
Continue building leadership and strategic thinking.
I will focus on that.
You are on the right track.
Thank you for the feedback.
You are welcome. Keep up the good work.
I appreciate your support.
Let us review your progress again in a few months.
That sounds great.
Do you have any other questions today?
No, I think we covered everything.
Thank you for preparing for this discussion.
Thank you for the opportunity.
I'll look forward to your continued growth.
I will do my best.
Great. Have a productive week.
Thank you, you too.
Keep up the great work. Thanks for listening to Daily Life English. Please like, share, and subscribe for more simple English conversations.